Hello and welcome to the very first devlog video of a Spyro-Like platformer I'm developing. My name is Sarah, I'm an environment artist, and I've worked on a few games in the games industry. First game I worked on was Kana, Bridge of Spirits at Ember Lab. I was an intern for 6 months, and then I became an environment artist. I worked on a couple of the plants and some hero assets and a couple of fun stuff like that. Second game I worked on after school was Bug Snacks, I Love Big Snacks, the DLC. I worked on a lot of hats, I worked on a lot of plants, did general 2D art, and eventually helped the team go from their proprietary engine to Unreal Engine using this project, Independent Ant. It's a platformer game, it's super cute and super fun, and I'm very proud of how it turned out. So, why Spyro? Well, first of all, it is one of my favorite games. One of the first games I played as a child growing up on PlayStation 1. And I think it's super fun and super cute and relatively simple to execute as well. There's some pretty simple mechanics, some charging, touch this thing, something happens. And I thought that it would be a great project to just start out on. So, reasons why to start the project that I'm working on, like I said, pretty simple. Out of all the mechanics that are in the game, we have things like jumping, gliding, health, attacks, some pickups, some really simple like keys and doors. Yeah, like it's pretty simple stuff. So as of today, I have jumping implemented, glide, health, climbing, money system, and health pickups already implemented in the game. This is pretty good. I've only been working on about 2 weeks or so far, and this is what I have. Um, your cute little dragon I found on the Epic Games Store. This is being developed in Unreal, and I thought that this would be a really good solo dev experience. It's a fun challenge, and as an artist, I have to do all the programming, so it's going to be a real challenge to figure all that out. I've been watching a lot of tutorials to try and see some of the stuff I already know. I took a class at CG Spectrum for programming, and that has really helped me with this to kind of understand the fundamentals of programming. It's been pretty good. It's difficult, but it's fun. I also think that the scope of Spyro is pretty good. It's manageable, especially for one person. At least getting all of the like mechanics nailed down. I think that's something I could do. Maybe it won't be polished, but that's okay because that's not really the point. The point is to learn and then to eventually have some other people come in and polish it up for me and get all those code bugs out of there and eventually release it on Steam. So I'm doing this devlog series because I mean I need some accountability, right? Um, it's kind of hard to do this all on your own, tell nobody about it, and then feel motivated every day to do it. So yeah, expect to see more. Hopefully I will get more out. um, but yeah, and then the other reason too is I've been unemployed for like 7 months now. And I need to keep working on my portfolio and keep showing like I'm still working, still doing things. So it's also kind of tough being unemployed because there's not a lot to do. So you kind of got to make your own stuff and, you know. So that's where this project is coming from. In the future, I plan to eventually build like a horizontal slice. Maybe I'll have like the entire game done. It won't look pretty, um, but it might be something to talk to people about. And then after that, I would plan on doing a vertical slice or even before, just to get like the art style nailed down. Just do one level, check it all out, make sure everything is exactly how I want it to be, and talk to people about it. Maybe help, try and find a publisher, have them help me figure out like all the logistical reasons of getting something published on Steam. I went through a little bit of that with the Bug Snacks project I worked on. Um, I did a couple of Steam assets, like icons and banners and stuff like that, or like the layouts and stuff you can get. So I have a little bit of familiarity with this, but I definitely need more. And I also like if this goes somewhere, it's nice to have people who are on board from the beginning. building up a fan base, getting the project out there, having people see it. It's going to do tons for like motivation to have people see it and show, like, see the reaction I'm getting from it and show my process and everything that I can do game development wise. Um, it's also great to have financial independence. So releasing a game like this is going to help me for the next time the industry isn't doing too well and you get laid off, or, something happens and you can't work. It's good to have these financial independence projects and stuff that you were working on. So yeah, overall, I mean, this is a first devlog and I hope that you really enjoy it. And the project is just gonna be me working on this cute little platformer, and hopefully it actually goes somewhere. So next video, I think I'm going to work on, I have enough uh, systems implemented that I think I can work on getting a level set up. I think I'll choose one from the Spyro games and just kind of recreate it in 3D space and just see how it plays and like what kind of adjustments I'm going to need to make for doing this. Anyways, thank you so much. See you next time.